So, today I study sound. It's sound energy. And on these pages of encyclopedia, we can see acoustic guitar, the parts of the guitar such as sound deck, sound hole, braces, and how the sound is making of sounds. Through the strings to sides to the sound deck. Here we can see neck of the guitar and head of the guitar, and strings and tuning pack through which we can tune the guitar. Sound frequencies, interesting topic, and how sound travels, so like waves, and the speed of waves, speed of the sounds. Here we can see how speed. How sound travel through metals or steel or how to say, or solids. Yeah, the highest speed through solids, the middle speed through liquids such as water, and the lowest speed through the air or the gases. And another interesting thing that loudness of the sounds. Loudness we can measure by decibels. Decibels, for example, 10 decibels. It's when you hear leaf falling nearby. 30 decibels. It's quiet sound. It means whispering in ear. And speaker nearby is 60 decibels, moderate. And 90 decibels is violin and arm's length. The 120 decibels is mean very loud. And we can hear from front of rock, jig, and the much louder sound is when we hear firework at close range, and it means 150 decibels, painfully loud.